Spring is finally here, so let's start working on the truck. We're going to do multiple parts here, and this part is building the bottom frame that the dump deck hinges on, because it's going to be a hydraulic dump flat deck. So let's get started. So I got it welded up, the main part of it, hinges on. Spacers aren't welded on yet, but what I'm doing is trying to square it up. So I got it square this way, so now I got to square it this way, so that's why he clamped a couple pieces of metal on here so I can get it square, and I can do the same over here when I'm ready. What I've gone ahead and done is taken the spacer, welded a nut inside of it, so that way I can just stick it right there, bolt her down, and then I can weld her up, and then I can do that for the next two and go on from there. So far I'm really happy with it. It's sticking square to the cab. That's all I care about. I got it bolted on here and the welded solid, and I'll just keep working my way through. I think that concludes the first part of this build. Got the frame built. I'm going to take it off, paint it up. I still have to add the guides. I'm going to cut a bunch of flat bar, and then as the dump folds down, it catches all the guides and keeps it from wandering. And then I might add a couple guides here just to keep this from wandering back and forth. I mean, it's got 6 bolts, but I want to keep it from sliding back and forth. Probably put one here, one there. Right. And that's looking good.